Assalamu alaikum. Good morning everyone. How are you all? I hope you all are fine and you have done your papers well. Welcome back to the next lecture of your English lecture. Today I'll start with a new chapter, the necklace, and as you all know, we always start with the warm-up activity. So let's see what is there in the warm-up activity. Okay, see, you can see here in the there are two columns, real life and imaginary life. In the real life, you have to describe yourself. You have to write about, you can see the instructions later on, but let me explain you first. You have to write, hi, I am Mr. So and so. You have to write about yourself, how you look, what you do, okay, what kind of a personality you are. Okay, you have to describe yourself. ठीक है, अपने बारे में लिखना है. And imaginary persona, this is totally different, which you are totally not. Opposite, कुछ भी लिख सकते हैं आप. You can see, I'll give you the example of film stars or TV actors. They play many characters in the movies, in the serials, but in their real life they are totally different. So similarly, real life you have to write about your personal life, and imaginary life you have to write about anything like fiction. अपने दिल से कुछ भी लिख सकते हो. You can catch one particular character from one of the story, one of the movie, no problem. समझ में आ गया? तो ये आपको लिखना है. Second question, my dream possession, what is it? My dream possession means which thing right now, which thing you want desperately. कौन सी चीज़ है जो आपको अभी बहुत ही desperately चाहिए और क्यों चाहिए? So with the help of these points you have to justify your answer. If you want something, why? ठीक है? What would you use it for? Where you saw it first? आपने पहले कहाँ देखी जो आपको चाहिए वो? Its use, why you want this? How you are going to use it? Its appearance, color, shape, okay? Whether you would share it with others, क्या आप दूसरों से शेयर करना पसंद करोगे? What you would do to get it? अभी आपको चाहिए तो कैसे हासिल करोगे? Why you want it so much? Yes, of course, क्यों चाहिए आपको? How would you use it? समझ में आ रहा? Suppose I want laptop very desperately nowadays because it's very useful, because online teaching is going on. So how I will get? Which color I want? How I will use? Will I share with my parents, with my friends? है ना? ये सारे सवालों के जवाब आपको खुद लिखते हैं. Okay? So within 4-5 lines you have to write this in the workbook. Understood? On your own. So I'll start with the chapter, the necklace. It's a story of a necklace children. ये किसकी कहानी है? एक necklace की कहानी है. The necklace is the main theme of the lesson. Okay, it's a story of a very young charming girl whose name was Mathilde, but she used to remain unhappy because of her personal life. She was not happy with her life and whatever she got. So let's see what is there in the lesson. The necklace, part 1. Mathilde was a pretty charming girl born as if by an error. Error हम बोलते हैं ना, find the error and rewrite the sentence, मतलब गलती, or fate, बदकिस्मती से, into a family of clerks. She had no means of becoming known, understood, loved, or be wedded to an aristocrat, rich person. And so she let herself to be married to a minor official at the Ministry of Education. ठीक है, she was quite ordinary and she had no means of becoming popular, famous, or to marry a rich person. See, society matters a lot. Now also कोई भी गरीब इंसान अमीर आदमी से शादी नहीं करता या अमीर गरीब से नहीं करता. Everybody think about their class also. सब अपनी क्लास के बारे में सोचते हैं. फिर ये नहीं सोचते कि वो कितना अच्छा है या कितना बुरा है या उसकी क्वालिटीज़ नहीं देखी जाती. तो सिमिलर द सेम थिंग हैपेंड विथ मैथिल्ड. शी वॉज ब्यूटिफुल बट स्टिल she had to compromise and she got married to a ordinary man who was belonged to Ministry of Education. She dressed plainly, simple से कपड़े पहनती थी, because she had never been able to afford anything better. Okay, उसका afford नहीं कर सकती थी वो heavy material के कपड़े. She suffered endlessly. Okay, endlessly मतलब जिसका कोई अंत ही नहीं है, आखिर तक वो बहुत ही ज़्यादा सफ़र करती थी. Feeling, why feeling? She was entitled to all the luxuries of life. She suffered because of her shabby, poorly furnished house. Shabby, बहुत ही बिखरा हुआ सा, poorly furnished, very used, very old house which is not in good condition. All these things that another woman of her class would not even have noticed. tormented tortures her and made her resentful मतलब angry, unhappy उसको बना देता था ये सब कुछ. She dreamt of a grand palatial mansion with vast rooms and inviting smaller rooms perfumed for afternoon chat with close friends. उसको एक palatial mansion चाहिए था, बड़ा सा घर चाहिए था, mansion bungalow type, where she could where everywhere perfume smell should be there, like a princess she wanted to be, okay, and like a palace she wanted to be. So there what she wanted perfume rooms and also separate rooms for afternoon chat with close friends. Okay, तो उसको एक राजकुमारियों वाली ज़िंदगी चाहिए थी. Yet she had no rich dresses, no jewels, nothing, and these were the only things she loved. See, every girl liked all such things. Yes, हम सबको पसंद आती है ये चीज़ें, उसे भी पसंद थी लेकिन उसके पास नहीं थी. She wanted so much to charm, to be envied, to be sought after. उसको बहुत ज़्यादा सजना था, संवरना था. She wanted to look beautiful. She want others to look at her and feel jealous. Okay? Envy मतलब जलन होना, किसी को जलन होना उसको देखकर, ऐसा वो चाहती थी. She had a rich friend, a former schoolmate, former old schoolmate और ex schoolmate. जैसे कॉलेज के बच्चे बोलते हैं ना, हमारे former school में हम जा रहे हैं, मतलब पुराना. At the convent, here is a convent school. There are many convent schools in Pune also. St. Anne, St. Helena, St. Joseph. Okay, these are all convent school. Mount Carmel's. So the school which is run by missionary or that is called convent school. तो उसकी convent school की अमीर दोस्त थी जिसको वो नहीं मिलती थी. क्यों नहीं मिलती थी देखते हैं अभी. Whom she avoided visiting because afterwards she would weep. Weeping means crying with regret, despair and misery. वो क्या हो जाती थी फिर और ज़्यादा मायूस, उदास और नाउम्मीद हो जाती थी, दुखी हो जाती थी. One evening her husband came home with an air of triumph, holding a large envelope in his hand. Means he was very very happy with flying he has entered in the house. Look, he said, here's something for you. Okay, the husband came and he said this. She tore open the paper and drew out a card on which was printed the words. Okay, she opened the card and something was printed. What was printed? The Minister of Education and Mem, this is M-E-E, this is French, French terms of addressing Mrs. Georges Ramponey, request the pleasure of Mr. and Mrs. Loisel's company at the ministry on the evening of one day, January 18th. See, it was invitation. Instead of being delighted मतलब happy, खुश होने की बजाय क्या हो गई, वो उदास हो गई. She threw the invitation on the table resentfully, unhappily and muttered मतलब क्या, मुँह के मुँह में जो हम बड़बड़ाते हैं ना, that is called muttered. And she started muttering, what do you want me to do with that? Okay, and angrily she asked, क्या चाहते हो क्या तुम? And what do you expect me to wear if I go? He hadn't thought of that. He stammered. Okay, who is here? The husband. Stammered means उसकी बोलती बंद हो गई, वो क्या बोलेगा? Spoke with difficulty. Why the dress you go to the theatre in? It seems very nice to me. See, here what happened? She got angry and she was not happy with the invitation. This we have seen in today. So what happened next, we will see in the next lecture. So till then, children, we will have a glance on, we will have a summary actually. Let's see what we have seen in this lesson. It's the lesson is belong to a very pretty charming girl, that was Mathilde. The name of the lesson is The Necklace, है ना. Mathilde was very charming pretty girl, but she used to suffer. क्यों suffer करती थी वो? Because she wanted to be very she wanted to charm, she wanted to shine, she wanted to dress, है ना. उसको बहुत ही राजकुमारियों वाली ज़िंदगी चाहिए थी. She wanted to be get treated like an princess, but she did not receive all such things because she born in the family of clerk and got married to a very ordinary man. Okay, but and she was always suffering because she had no good dresses. The poorly furnished house was one of the reason behind her sadness. So all such things. So this is the description of Mathilde. One day what happened, the husband came and he showed something to her. That was invitation, but still she was not happy. Okay, so we will see more about Mathilde's life in the next lecture. Till then, children, please read the lesson carefully and write the warm-up activity in the textbook itself. Okay, till then, take care of yourself. Thank you so much. See one suitable thought for this. Luxury and lies have huge maintenance costs, but truth and simplicity are self-maintained without any cost. Think over it. This is very suitable for our today's lesson. Okay, children, so see you soon, inshallah. Take care of yourself and please read lesson. Reading is best. Personal reading is very, very important. So whenever I'm starting with any of the lesson or any of poem, so you should read it. तो आप जब तक खुद से नहीं पढ़ते आपको डिफ़िकल्टी मिलती नहीं है, तो प्लीज़ स्टार्ट रीडिंग, make a habit of writing meanings in the textbook. Okay, and whenever you sit for the lecture, please sit along with your textbook. Till then, thank you very much. See you soon. Bye. Thank you so much, children.